Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on XRP on January 27th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $2.753. And we were, as you can see, in the massive downtrend with the huge volume. And I told you that we hit the golden pocket range. Statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and from this level, we might have at least a bounce or we might have a total recovery. And guys, on the video before my previous video, I also told you that from this point we were somewhere at around $3.1. We have to see another leg to the downside that will complete ABC correction to the downside. And guys, take a look right here. Let me show you this in details. We were at this point, and right after I made my previous video, we had a massive recovery that brought about, let's say, from the swing low to swing high, about 17% to XRP's value. And for now, we are hovering again in the range of about $3.06, $3.1. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of. But the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game-changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look at its price action again. Let's zoom out to a daily time frame. Let's turn off all the tools. And guys, right here we have a very indicative price action. I have to admit that I caught the majority of its movements right after December the 3rd. I didn't cover XRP previously. And from this point, guys, I predicted pretty much all of its movements. And for now, we are aiming to hit its all-time high, and I think this might be quite substantial movement. And let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the total crypto market cap, and for now it is at $3.55 trillion. It is about 0.35% decrease over the last day. And I have to admit that during the 7 days period, we are still in red, but the last 24 hours and especially last hour is not so bearish. We are hovering pretty much sideways. But at the same time, guys, the entire crypto industry is trying to push higher because of, let me show you, let's take a look at Bitcoin price action. Let me turn on all the tools and let's switch to 2 hours time frame. On this scale, you can see that Bitcoin had a massive drop to the downside, but then it has a recovery mode. And I have to admit that for now, the structure of this movement potentially might be the beginning of the new major wave that will hit higher targets. And to confirm, to prove or disprove this theory, we potentially might have a tiny leg to the upside, but then we have to have a retracement that will not land lower than, wait a second, I will show you in details, that will not land lower than, let's say, $100,000 mark. If it happens, guys, it will be a perfect 1-2 setup in the major third wave. And if it happens, the entire crypto industry will potentially break its all-time highs. And guys, let me show you some details about total 2 and total 3 market cap. Right here you can see that we were in the triangle that broke to the downside, but for now guys, if I make this line longer, we are about to hit this range of resistance again, and if total 2, and it is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin market capitalization, if it breaks to the upside, the alt rally begins. On top of that, another sign of the potential beginning of alt rally will be the breakout above the same range of resistance on total 3. And total 3 is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we already scratching this range. If it breaks it to the upside, it will definitely be a major alt season. But guys, the crucial indicator that should go to the downside is the Bitcoin dominance. And for now, guys, again, we are scratching this top. This potential range of resistance. Let me mark it for you with horizontal ray. If this asset, if Bitcoin dominance goes to the downside from this point, and if it breaks its several swing lows, it will definitely be a very good sign for altcoins. And in this case, all altcoins will hit their all-time highs. And guys, let's continue with XRP price action. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for now we've pretty much confirmed the bottom of our C wave as the bottom of the retracement. Let me put this bottom. Wait a second. Let me put the bottom of the fourth wave at this point. Again, wrong wave. Here it is. And we have to see another leg to the upside that will complete its fifth wave from this bottom, and that will complete the third wave on a bigger scale. Guys, for now, I still have a huge question mark about the top of the third wave. Because on the grand scheme of things, potentially, we might already complete the entire bull run for XRP with this top, the top of our fifth wave. And yes, we have to take a closer look on its upcoming movements right after this top is finished, this top is achieved. And then, depending on the price action, we might anticipate either another leg to the upside or breakout below its crucial swing lows. And definitely I will do another update. But for now, guys, what price targets do we have on the grand scheme of things? And to be honest, the price target is still the same. If I pull the Fib extension tool, let me show you. From the bottom of the entire wave from the beginning of November to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement, and it is at $1.936. We have the most common, the most probable top of the fifth wave at 0.786 Fib extension level. And it is the price point of $3.81. But guys, with an extension in this wave, we might see even higher price targets at 1-to-1 extension at $4.32 or even 1.618 extension level at $5.8, which implies from our current price about 22.5% to the first price target, about 39% to the second one, and more than 85% to the third price target. So guys, I have to admit that yes, we still have room to grow, and in my opinion the consolidation phase on the fourth wave on a smaller scale is done, and that is why, guys, the likelihood of its next movement to the upside is quite substantial. Let me delete unnecessary tools. And that is why, if you want to enter your position, guys, be cautious, because we might have a lot of volatility around $2.9 all the way up to its all-time high at $3.4. That is why, guys, I encourage you to accumulate your position incrementally to the downside with the stop loss slightly below this bottom, because if this asset breaks the bottom of the fourth wave, we will eliminate at least a short-term bull count, and we will see longer consolidation phase, and potentially we might see lower price targets for this asset. That is why, guys, be cautious. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.